Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the camera display settings on the Nissan Qashqai. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can change the reversing camera display settings to make the reversing screen clearer and easier to see. Follow the steps to learn how to adjust the camera display settings on the Nissan Qashqai. Tap Settings in the bottom right of the infotainment screen. Then tap the arrow on the right side to get to the second settings page. Choose Camera from the options. Then tap Display Settings. Here you can change the brightness, contrast, tint, color, and black level to make the screen easier to see. Select the setting that you would like to change, then use the slider to adjust it to your liking. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nissan Qashqai tips and tricks.